Most traders draw support and resistance completely wrong. And that's exactly why they lose money on gold. In this video, I'll show you how to draw it the right way, so you can actually use it for real entries. Support is where price tends to bounce up. Resistance is where price tends to reject. The problem is not support and resistance. The problem is how you draw it. Let me show you how to draw it properly, so it actually makes sense on the chart. Quick basics. What support and resistance really means. Simple idea. Support is where price reacts and moves up. Resistance is where price reacts and moves down. That's easy, but this is not where traders fail. Come, look at this. Too many lines. Random points. No direction. Now tell me, would you take a trade here? When everything looks important, nothing is clear. Support and resistance, clean and structured. Using XAUUSD. Now let's clean this. This is how I work. Rule 1, zones, not lines. I don't draw one line. I draw a zone. Because price doesn't react to one exact level, it reacts to an area. Rule 2, time frame, very important. Now, another mistake traders make. They draw everything on lower time frame. This is just noise. Let's switch to higher time frame. I use 1 hour chart to mark my zones. This shows the real levels. Lower time frame shows noise. Higher time frame shows truth. Rule 3, follow trend, moving average. Now we add direction. If price is above EMA, I focus on buying. If below, I focus on selling. Rule 4, wait for reaction. Now this is important. We don't enter just because price touches the zone. Zone gives location. Reaction gives entry. Advanced edge, gold behavior. How XAUUSD really moves. Now my friend, this is where gold is different. Gold doesn't respect your level immediately. It takes liquidity first. See this, breakout. Most traders enter here. Then market reverses. Here's what most traders don't understand. Gold will break your level first. Then move in the real direction. Support and resistance works. But only when you use it with structure, direction, and patience. If you want to learn gold trading step by step, watch the full course on my channel. We don't trade lines, we read the market. If you want my full gold trading strategy, comment PDF and I'll send it to you. See you in the next lesson.